GOEV stock analysis Wednesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Canoo Incorporated is sitting a good 12 cents and it's 9% up for the day, which is a quite of a bullish day. First thought for me here with GOEV is that, I mean, I have done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course cemeteries, but specifically with GOEV, I will just say, yeah, my previous bias was correct and we delivered to my targets. GOEV. Here's a video that was made 4 days ago on 12th December.
It actually goes up higher and then gives me that proper double break. Then maybe yes. But what I'm doing is...
Guess what happened after this? The price just delivered. Now, this is still a bearish range. Quite of a bearish range, I'll definitely have to say that. And I'll just mark out the lows. That was the break. These are the lows that we have right now. And more likely than not, we're going to clear those lows out. It's not that I'm actually going to trade this market, but more so just kind of add something like this. That's about it. If you want to learn to trade in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter.